So here's your student challenge. I want you to take a logo, and I don't want you to copy what I did. If you did that through the class, that's totally fine. But this, for your student project, I want you to take a brand that you really like or appreciate, or a real client project, or you can make up a client project, and I want you to walk through this entire process. I want to see your sketches. I want to see how you've evolved the logo. I want to see you picking out and weeding out the right concepts. I want to see you work through the color process, the color selection process, and I don't need to see your exported files, but I want you to practice exporting files in all those different formats and having a nice file system for that. I'd love to see your logo applied on real-world situations like a t-shirt, Instagram post, whatever. So that is your student challenge. It's a big challenge if you choose to accept it. I've had a lot of students do this challenge, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.